Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Font in WordPress website. So first of all, open your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins. In here click on add new. Now in here search WP Google Font plugin. This one, WP Google Font plugin allows you to easily add fonts from the Google Font directly to your WordPress theme. So click on install now. There are 10 million plus active installation, so it's a very useful plugin. Now click on activate. Now after activation, scroll down. Here is the option Google Font. Click on Google Font. In the font one, select any Google font. Now select the elements you want to assign this font to, like all body, headline 1, 2, 3, 4. So select where you want to use. And click on save all fonts. And if you want to use more font, so in the font to select another font like this one. Select elements like headline 5, and after selecting all the places in the last, click on save all fonts. So by this useful plugin, you can use Google Font in your WordPress website. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any, and please comment how you think about this plugin, and please subscribe this channel for more updates.